But hello, Baba Booey. Welcome back. Hi, I'm late. I had to poop. It's fine though. Jackie, hi, welcome. And just a short stream today. Then I'm kinda tired. So, yeah, I was working on these. On these nuts. Daddy. What is his name? Okay, so selection button, show collection, data, blah blah blah. Yitty yitty yitty. Alright then. Alright. Page. This. Okay. Ow. Ow. Shit. How do I do this? What is that? What is that?そしてはthinking show page. Okay, soどうかな。Section button. Line. Okay. In section button I equals setup data dot sorry datas. Now here's the problem. The number. I times page question mark. Setup. Can I convert story data story character data? Hello? Okay. I see. Alright. If I times page is less than data length, then we do this, right? Else selection buttons I dot object select to false. Okay, show page. Tyler, yeah, welcome. No, I can't do that. Freak. れダメでしょ because the I gonna be 0, right? It starts from 0. If it's 1 times page 2, that's 2, which is not right. Yeah, it can't be just times page. That's not correct. So it should be something more like how do I do this? Thinking maximum page? No. So if it's page number 2, it starts from 5, right? I see. Page number 2 it starts from 5. Page number 1 it starts from 0. Okay. Page number 3 starts from 10. There's a formula here that I can think of. I'm seeing the formula. Alright. Alright. What are we gonna do? Private int page index, I guess. I don't know. Page index equals, alright, equals so one page has 5 items, right? So in page 1, 5 times 1 is 5 minus 5. It becomes 0, right? It's page 2. 5 times 2 equals 10 minus 5. It starts from 5. Okay? Index number 5. Okay. Yeah, that works. So it becomes selection buttons not linked minus times page minus selection button not linked. That's the start, okay? And then we plus that with the I question mark, because like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's gonna be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Why does the next one start at 14 though? Why does it start? No, it doesn't start from 9. It's from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is plus I. So if page index is less than data length, then this page index. Else we don't show shit, right? Hey, hello. Morning. Have a good work day, Cham. Okay. So, brief page, private void pref page, page index, blah blah blah, show page, private int max page. We're gonna make it. So here, count max page, private void count max page. So the maximum page, let's see, it's gonna be the number, the amount of data there is divided by the amount of buttons. So if we have like 50 data, divide that by 5, it becomes 10 pages. But if we have something less, something that isn't 5, something that is a multiple of 5, for example, if we have like, I don't know, 43, right? So that divided by 5, 43 divided by 5 becomes 8.6. That means we actually gonna need 9 pages. I guess that works. So next page equals, I don't need this whole function for that then. Just gonna do this. Next page equals data dot length divided by let's make this a float first. Divided by selection button, so length. Okay, and then int dot round, oh no, it has to be the math f round up. How do I round up? How do I round up? Unity, how to round up? I thought there was a round function. My performance sufficient with round. Seal to int. There it is. Yeah. Seal to int. Look. That probably does it? Question mark. And then here in the previous page, if page equals 0, then page equals max page, else page minus, and then we show page. Here is next page. Next page. If page equals max page, then page equals 0, else page plus show page. Okay, so button length is 5 times fade minus. The page has to be 1. It has to start at 1. So it's not 0, then it's 1. Okay. At the start, let's call an init here. Private void init. We're gonna call it here. Page equals 1. Init. Okay. Actually, hold on. I don't think I need that. Right? Show collection. We do the thing. Okay. Page equals 1 is here. I think. Previous page, next page. This should be public. Like so. And then we're also gonna need to use the DM Pro. DM text. Page text equals null. Okay. Show page, blah blah blah. Text equals page plus page to string plus slash plus max page this string. Okay, that might does it? Question mark. What you making? I'm making a story selection menu. Come on. Okay, so collection. This here is simple collection 1. We got some data and 1, 2, blah blah blah. Is it some more? Right? gonna need some more. Get 8 of them. Sounds good. Alright. Then we go here in. Wait, no. Let's go to the pre-vets first. See if they already have the things that I need. Okay, they kinda do. Story collection data, story data. Why is it? Why is it public? I don't need this to be public. Wait. Got it. Okay, so story character button. When we click this, what I want to do is story. It goes to cylinder, instance show collection data. I think this also is the same. Oh no, this one should be using Unity engine dot scene management. Whatchamacallit? Play story. I'm gonna call this public play story. Story data. And so here we just gonna debug first, right? Because I don't have the scene yet. So playing plus data name. Kana. Story data just have a download data. Okay. So here story handler dot instance dot play story. Shabam shaboom. Okay. Oh, what's this? What? Oh, data dot story collection data. There you go. You stupid, you silly goose. Okay, so now, if we go here, drop it here. The type panel is here. The main story collection is just gonna use this one. The character panel is this one. The character list is this one. We got the character buttons, which are these. And then we have the selection panel. And this is gonna be the collection buttons. And then the text is this one. Alright. In the type panel, the selection here, the main story button is going to show. Oh crap, I haven't put the function. Let's see. Play story, next story, show collection, blah blah blah. Show page, play story, show main story. I'm just gonna do it that way. Public show main story. Show collection. Main story collection. There you go. Make it simple. Put just within the script. Like a gamer, hello. The introduce me to your gamedev VTuber. The one when since you see the same person started. Yay! Welcome. Like you're listening on stream at April's called Bean in Depth in its IO. Nice. Let me check that out. Oh no. Did it? No. Hell? I cannot. Fine, I'll just Bean and Depth. Is there any? Ooh, this is cute. Wow. And a cat. Decision sacrifices. Ah. Dog Lord. It looks nice. Okay, let's see. I like the art. The art is cute. Ow, ow, ow. And cat. What is that game about? What is it about being and depth? It's, you know, it's in the title. Can I not click the show panel? I cannot! Mother flipper, is it the— oh, that's why. It's not even public, silly goose. On the panel. This should be public. Okay. Copy the character, panel selection active. Alright. Oh, but playing depth, a strategic farming game. Nice. The project from especially in the program called Game Jam. Plus, if you were to win, will potentially be fun hit to Philippines and Brazil. Nice. Game Jam. Good luck. Good luck. Show panel. What is the show panel? It's still not— oh, freaking fine. I'll just do it myself. Benefit. Shaman story. Show characters. Bam. Public void. Show characters. Show panel. Panel.character. And yeah, I think that's all I need. Question mark. Let's see. Show characters. Okay. And on the character panel, we got these buttons. They already assigned. The back button here. We'll go here and show characters. No, not show characters. It's just gonna so and show type. Public void show type. Show panel. Type. And then we're gonna back to main menu. Public void back to main menu. Type panel, birthfoot string, main menu scene, string.empty. Scene manager dot load scene main menu scene. Okay, that'll do it for real. Makatahala alisim. Welcome. Why are you trying to do, by the way? I'm trying to make a UI for story selection. Just making game for my own publishing. Gonna finish this, publish it, and then reskin it for a lot more in the games. 気持ちはよ。すごい。すごい。Basically, I'm trying to run a quantity kind of production here. Put ads into the game as well. You know, the usual stuff. Just the usual stuff. Here we call the back to main menu. Then this one we call show character, and here we call yes, that is not a problem right here. Okay, let's see, we're gonna make a new thing here. Private book from character false. Okay, so from character equals false. Show panel, blah blah blah. So when we show the characters, right, it becomes like from character equals true. Okay, and then here in the show main story, from character equals false, right? And here back from collection, we're gonna call this public void back from collection. If from character, then we show characters. What? From character, then we show characters. Else, then we show type. Right, like so. Okay. Come on. Load! Stop loading and load it. Come on, just load it, please. Okay. Why does it go to? You should go to show type, right? And here, this is the type panel. So here we just go back from collection. These are the collection buttons, and the previous and the next button we gonna call the function of previous page and the next page, like so. Okay, so if we play the game now, things will start to do things. At least that's the theory here, yeah? So let's try from this one. Okay, it works. Awesome. Hold on, I might as well. So we going back to the script a little bit. We're gonna go to menu handler. Let's see. What? Private string story select scene. Sorry, select private void. Sorry, select scene manager. The load scene. Sorry, select scene. Bam! Shabam, shabeam, shaboom. Going back to Unity now. Sniffle. Come on! Let's see if I can finish this in before 10. So we're going back to scenes here. In the main menu, Gonna select the button for the story and call the function story select. Go back here. Here is story select. Bam, nice. So now if we play the game from the main menu, we should be able to go to the story selection screen like so. Bam! Oops. Oh. I forgot it has to be here. Yippee. Okay. Object is not no. Your mom is not no. It's a story. Go to main menu. Okay, that works. So here, if we click the main story, it's gonna show us the main stories. It works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It works. Oh my god! It just works, bro. It works, baby! Woo! It works! It just flippin' works, baby! Paper collection. Oh yeah, I just like copied the story 4 times. Okay! Turns out the page mechanism even works. Hell yeah! I did not expect that. I thought it was gonna be more difficult, but turns out it ain't. Nuh-uh. No, it ain't. Show page. Show collection. Show collection. Page 1. So next page. Blah, story data. The blah blah blah. Huh. Ow. It worked. Now I just have to figure out how to after you select a story and then you read through the story, you go back to the story selection screen and it's still the same screen. That's what I want, right? Honestly, the easiest way to handle that is to just stay in the exact scene. And after you finish reading the story, you just close the story and then you go back to the exactly where you were. That would be way like the most easiest thing to do. I don't think I want to do that. Yeah. So from there you go back collection data. Show collection. Okay, I'm supposed this is I'm going to make this static. That's right, I'm going to make it static. So this is static, right? This is static and this is also static. So let's see. We have page from character and then data, right? So in the init, right? In the init, we don't do this. we don't change the from character at all, right? You can start from start or from false, right? Then what we want to do is, however, this thing is I just call this like story collection data. There you go. Story collection data. Okay, so that's the data. We show collection. Okay. Show page, show panel. Okay. So here, if story collection data is not null, then we show collection this of story collection data. Else, right? If it's null, then we go show the type. When we go to show the type, just like else show type. When we show the type, I want the story collection data to be rendered null. And then show panel. Who's turning this off then? Show main story from, let's choose from main character. Okay. Okay, I don't think I can test this particular thing out yet because I still need the story scene for it, I think. But for now, I think it works, I think. There's a lot of I thinks here. So now if we go to story, okay, okay, sorry, just gonna show the type. Okay, it looks swell, it looks pretty swell. I'm going to check it out, baby. Alright, I am very sleepy. That was 30 minutes. I was late, okay, I'm sorry. Thank you guys for watching. This was Battle Chamomile, getting some UI set up. Yay! Ethel and the hello, welcome. This is Battle Chamomile. If you like it, subscribe, become member. Definitely say what I was saying. Take care, Asama. Yay! I'm just gonna end it there. So the next one we're gonna do is to make the story scene where you can actually watch the stories, blah blah blah. And then after you finish reading story, you go back to the story selection screen. And then you go back to the main menu if you want to do something else. And that ought to be it. See you all. A smile.